Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how I remember everything I read. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Know your purpose. Everyone must have a cause for his or her studying and consider how that motive is being fulfilled at some point of the real studying. The benefit for remembering is that checking constantly for a way the cause is being fulfilled allows the reader to live on task, to awareness at the greater applicable components of the text, and to rehearse constantly as one reads. This additionally saves effort and time due to the fact applicable objects are maximum attended. 2. Get the mechanics right. For in-intensity studying, eyes want to transport in a disciplined way. Skimming in reality trains eyes to transport without discipline. When you want to study cautiously and don't forget the essence of big blocks of text, the eyes have to snap from one fixation factor to the following in left to right sequence. Moreover, the fixations have to now no longer be one man or woman letters or maybe unmarried phrases, however instead on numerous phrases in line with fixation. Be judicious in highlighting and note-taking. Use a highlighter to mark a few key factors to behave as the idea for intellectual picks and reminder cues. Add key phrases with inside the margins in case you don't discover beneficial clues to focus on. Almost all college students use highlighter pens to pick out key components of a text. But many college students both spotlight an excessive amount of or spotlight the incorrect things. They end up so preoccupied in marking up the EE book that they don't pay sufficient interest to what they're analyzing. A higher technique is to spotlight only some key phrases on a page. 5. Think in pictures. An image won't be really well worth 1,000 phrases, however it could virtually seize the essence of dozens of phrases. Moreover, images are a lot less complicated to memorize than phrases. Those reminiscence wizards who placed on degree indicates owe their success, as do card counters in casinos, to apply of gimmicks primarily based totally on intellectual snapshots. Ordinary readers can use to desirable impact the exercise of creating intellectual pictures of the which means of text. 6. Rehearse as you go along. Read in quick segments, some paragraphs to 3 pages, relying on content material density, all of the whilst considering and paraphrasing the which means of what's written. To rehearse what you're memorizing, see how a few of the intellectual picks you could reconstruct. Use headings and highlighted phrases if wanted that will help you enhance the intellectual picks. Rehearse the intellectual picks each day or so for the primary few days after studying. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.